Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying permissions, because without admin or editor rights you can't change messaging settings. Open the page and go straight to Settings, right arrow Messaging. Once done, make sure Messenger is enabled and automated responses are off for testing. If you use Business Suite, open that too. Switch between Page and Business Suite while checking the same toggles. Finally, clear cache or use an incognito window to rule out local browser issues before continuing to the deeper fixes. Next, diagnose delivery by sending messages from a separate account or a phone to reproduce the problem. This shows whether the issue is account-specific. Then inspect the inbox. Look at filtered, spam, and automated folders because messages often route there. Review integrations and third-party bots. Disable them briefly to isolate conflicts. If you use the Graph API, verify the page token and app permissions. Refresh tokens where needed. These steps determine if the problem is settings, browser, or integration related. To finish, reset any modified message templates, re-enable Messenger features, and retest from multiple devices to confirm messages send and receive normally. Make sure page roles are intact and reauthorize integrations or regenerate API tokens if they were the culprit. If problems persist, collect screenshots and timestamps, then submit a concise report through Facebook's support inbox. Include your tests and device info. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle Messenger off then on in page settings. That often clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.